Hello, welcome to Autism Takes On, and today we're going to explore Union Canal Tunnel Park. Now, before the railroad was invented, and before steam engines were reliable like the rocket, canals were built because, well, boats were simply the fastest way to travel. Ships can also carry a lot more cargo than horse-drawn carriages or trains, even for that matter. During some parts of the year, you can take boat rides on a canal. Here, you can see the tenting area. Union Canal also offers lots of trails to explore. If you get tired, along the way there are some comfy benches. One of the most interesting things about a canal is its tunnel. Because how else are you going to go through a hill? On the other side of the tunnel is, well, obviously the other side of the tunnel, but also there's much more to explore. There are some signs. Right here, a dam stands where canal doors or locks used to be. Unfortunately, with the advent of railroads, canals were no longer useful. However, unlike a railroad, which is easy to rip up, canals need to be dug in, and it's not so easy getting rid of them. Here is a pavilion where you can have picnics if you like. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to visit Union Canal Tunnel Park, and have a nice day.